Ever wondered if that super cool hoverboard you saw online is actually worth the hype or just another internet mirage? Let's dive into the Elektra Hoverboard and find out if it's a smooth ride to the future or a one-way ticket to beer's remorse. First impressions matter, right? The packaging is generic. It lacks the polished feel you'd expect from a premium product. Red flag number 1. Let's keep digging. Taking a closer look, the build quality appears okayish. Notice the slightly misaligned panels and the somewhat flimsy plastic around the charging port. These small details often reveal the true story. Time for the real test. Performance. We're putting the Elektra through its paces. Notice how it struggles to maintain speed on even a slight incline. Not exactly the effortless gliding we were promised. Then there's the Bluetooth speaker. The connection is spotty, and the sound quality. Let's just say you won't be jing any parties with this thing. Digging into online reviews, we see a similar pattern. While some users report a decent experience, a concerning number complain about short battery life and unresponsive customer service. Comparing it to established brands, the Elektra lacks the certifications and safety features that give you peace of mind. It seems the Elektra falls short. So, is the Elektra Hoverboard legit? Based on our review, questionable build quality, inconsistent performance, and negative user feedback, the Elektra Hoverboard leans toward being more scam than steal. Steer clear.